Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming control. Log into the exact Google account tied to Adsense and open the notification that lists the error. Once logged in, collect the error text, notice ID, and the affected URL. This speeds troubleshooting. Make sure your site is indexed and not blocked by robots. TXT because many flags arise from crawl issues. Next, check basic policy violations, thin content, copyright, or ad placement, and note them so you know which fixes to apply first. Now dive into the dashboard details and reproduce the problem. Open the URL in an incognito window and run Google Search Console and mobile tests. If the error cites policy, remove or rewrite offending content, or secure licenses for media, explain why the change complies. If it's technical, unblock pages in robots. TXT, submit an updated sitemap and repair mobile rendering issues. Once done, document every change. This record will be used when you request a review from You finish by submitting a concise review request. Explain what you changed, include screenshots, and list the URLs affected. After submission, expect a 3 to 7 business day wait. Monitor your email and the AdSense dashboard for the result. If AdSense rejects it, read the feedback carefully, replicate the developer fixes, and only then reapply. Don't make cosmetic changes. One key troubleshooting tip: if you suspect a crawl delay, use Search Console's URL inspection to request indexing and confirm Googlebot can access the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.